All right, folks, we've got a 6+ hour late recycling truck. Woo! Woo! Yeah! We got a 6 hour late. We got a close to 6 hour late garbage truck. Woohoo! Usted está tarde.
Oh, sí.
What? Huh? What's your name?
Alex.
Alex, yo soy Luis. Mucho gusto. Oh, so I'm like,
I'm just filling in.
oh, you're filling in?
Yeah, next week we'll be back.
Oh, okay. I'm like, what in the world? This garbage truck is 6 hours late.
Yeah, no worries.
All right.
I'll see you. Have a good one.
Woohoo! Oh, so he's filling in for Miguel. So, apparently he's late. I think it's because he's filling in for someone. Anyway, there goes that garbage truck around the cul-de-sac. Woo-hoo! There it is.